Let's dive right into this explainer. Seriously, what if your daily caffeine fix could buy you actual real estate?
We always hear skip the latte to save cash, right? But what if it bought you acreage instead?
Talk about an upgrade. You're literally trading a temporary caffeine buzz for a permanent piece of American dirt.
The math is crazy simple. A $6 daily coffee habit? That's exactly $180 a month.
Banks want massive down payments and perfect credit. But owner financing? Yeah, that completely changes the whole game.
By ditching the bank entirely, those monthly payments on multi-acre parcels fit perfectly right into that coffee budget.
Raw land is honestly the ultimate starter asset. Think about it, a total blank canvas with zero credit barriers.
Plus, property taxes on vacant rural land are incredibly cheap, like well under $100 a year. So, how do we actually pull this off safely? Well, you're going to need a completely foolproof roadmap.
First, absolutely demand clear titles to avoid major headaches, and always verify you can legally drive onto the property.
Please, never buy blindly online. Only use sellers who personally scout, walk, and map out their land first.
See? You don't need a trust fund to buy land. Stop renting your mornings and start owning the earth.
So, I gotta ask, what permanent physical asset could your daily spending habits be building for you right now?